Hello everybody. I'm gonna start with Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate, and I'm not taking any one of this. I'm just directly taking the backend development and APIs. And in here that they only use Django, so it's not exactly what the rest of the world works because they use either FastAPI or REST API. So it's kinda a traditional way of putting stuff together. Let's take a look at what exactly is inside, right? So week 1 that they're gonna explain what are the APIs and then what is DRF. So what exactly is the principle of the API development, and basically write your first API. But we started from actually creating and setting up the tool. So as you can see here, it's very easy in the sense of, oh yeah, you just do pip3 install and then that's it. But in my case, I had very much problem when I install the pipenv because I have a M1 Pro MacBook. So I don't know what is the reason, but it just causing a little bit trouble. So basically, as you can see here, is that I did the pip version, I did the pip install, it just doesn't work. So I did even brew install, but when I was doing so pipenv install, right? And in its own official explanations, it says here that homebrew installation is disencouraged because it works better to install pipenv using pip on macOS. Alright, back to 0. Then it doesn't work because when I try to pipenv, it just says, so I installed it. I installed it here, right? It should work, but then I start using pipenv to install Django. It just says it can't find a pipenv. And I try the other method, which is using brew still, but then it says not recommended. Alright, cool. You uninstall through brew and also pip. I tried several methods, but it didn't really work. So then this one is the actual command that gets my pipenv finally installed. Yeah, perfect. It worked, right? So it says the variable line is not set. Then I also opened up a file and I put some words in it. This is what I add here in the bash file. If you come back here, the bash profile that use Atom to edit, but if you don't have the app, that's fine. You just open the default app in that case would be text edit. Here we go. Coming back, next step, right? And how do we create a Django project using pipenv? It's very easy. I wrote myself, my project is a small l. So as you can see, I created this file. Sorry, I typed it wrong. And then follow the steps.
This directory. To do so, apply the command Django -admin stop,
which is what I did here, and then to run the server, and it checks for a lot of stuff. Be careful that how do you name this thing? This is supposed to be consistent, right? It's not like if you use a capital L, it should be the same. And now it's being hosted here, so this is an automatic portal which is 8,000, and now if we open, here we go. That's